Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox using a Bluetooth keyboard on your mobile device. While Roblox doesn't natively support external keyboards for gameplay, there's a specific method involving your device's accessibility settings or a third-party key mapping application. This approach lets you assign keyboard buttons to various in-game actions, transforming your mobile gaming experience. It requires a bit of setup, but it's the most reliable way to gain keyboard control. First things first, let's get your Bluetooth keyboard connected. Make sure your keyboard has sufficient power, either fully charged or with new batteries. Then, activate the pairing mode on your keyboard. This usually involves pressing a specific button or combination of buttons. Next, navigate to your mobile device's Bluetooth settings, turn Bluetooth on, and select your keyboard from the list of available devices to establish the connection. This initial step is quick and straightforward. Now for the crucial part, mapping your controls. Since Roblox lacks native support, you'll need to use your device's accessibility features, like switch control on iOS. Within these settings, you'll create new switches and recipes. This process involves assigning each desired in-game action, such as moving forward with W or jumping with the spacebar, to a specific key on your Bluetooth keyboard. It's a detailed setup, as every action needs a manual bind. Once your keys are mapped, you're ready to play. Be prepared for a short adjustment period as you get used to the new control scheme. Feel free to customize your key assignments within the accessibility settings to best suit your personal playstyle and comfort. For the best experience, consider using a stable stand for your mobile device, allowing for comfortable viewing and easy access to your keyboard. This setup can significantly enhance your Roblox adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.